Hi guys, I just got to the farm and we're gonna do some cleaning up and riding, and my cousins are coming over as well. Trooper! Come here, bud. So I gave him a bath the other day and used some purple shampoo, and he's filthy, of course. So I got Trooper, and Walker is following us. He's a Tennessee Walker. It's my mom's horse, and Trooper is a quarter horse, if you can't already tell. And Walker is, since he's a Tennessee Walker, he has a very fast-paced walk, so he always beats us to the gate. So it's always fun trying to squish around him. So let's see. I'm gonna try to sneak through the other gate. Maybe I can do it. He's following us. He's coming.
I'm a stone's throw from the mill, and I'm a good walk to the river. When my working day is over, we'll go swim our cares away. Put your toes down in the water and a smile across your face, and tell me that you love me.
Somebody pooped on my saddle.
Now I ain't the sharpest chisel that your hands have ever held, but darling, I could love you well till the roll is called on high. I've seen my share of trouble, and I've held my weight in shame, but I'm baptized in your name, lovely Lady May.
Alright guys, this is my cousin Tristan, and now that I'm all tacked up and my mom and I just went for a long trail ride, I'm going to do some work with him in the round pen and just have some fun.
Lord, the wind can leave you shivering as it waltzes o'er the leaves. It's been rushing through my timber till your love brought on the spring. Now the mountains all are blushing, and they don't know what to say, except a good long line of praises for my lovely Lady May. Now I ain't the toughest hickory that your axe has ever felled, but I'm a hickory just as well. I'm a hickory all the same. I came crashing through the forest as you cut my roots away, and I fell a good long way for my lovely Lady May.
What a western jog looks like this, and you don't use your other hand.
I'm a stone's throw from the mill, and I'm a good walk to the river. When my working day is over, we'll go swim our cares away. Put your toes down in the water and a smile across your face, and tell me that you love me,
Western jog.
lovely Lady May.
That's what I did.
Now I ain't the sharpest chisel that your hands have ever
Tend to go a
held.
lot slower. That's all.
Darling, I could love you well till the rolls call on high. I've seen my share of trouble. I've held my weight in shame, but I'm baptized in your name.
Good boy. That's a good boy. So when I'll probably do that with him too.
Lord, the wind shiver as it waltzes o'er the leaves. Been rushing through my timber till your love brought on the spring.
Alright,
Now the
now we're
mountains
gonna
are
untap
blushing,
Trooper.
and they don't know what to say, except a good long line of praises for my lovely Lady May. Now I ain't the toughest hickory that your axe has ever felled, but I'm a hickory just as well. I'm a hickory also. I came crashing through the forest as you cut my roots away, and I fell a good long ways for my lovely lady.
Brushing them off.
They're gonna have to wait.
There's Walker.
That's a hell of a ride. Yeah. See everybody?
Come on this side. He hates spray, so watch your back. It's alright, Bob. We're done.
We'll go again later.
I'm a stone's throw from the mill, and I'm a good walk to the river. When my working day is over, we'll go swim our cares away. Put your toe in the water, and a smile across your
Ma, you wanna just leave halters on them?
tell me that you love me, lovely Lady May.
That's a big one.
Now
Make sure
I
you chews it
ain't
up
the
good.
sharpest
Okay.
chisel that your hands
So-
have ever held. Darling, I can love
I gotta open up the
you
gates,
well
right?
till the road. I've seen my share of trouble. I've
stalls.
weighed in shame, but I'm baptized in your name.
Oh, not going in the stalls.
Come on, boys.
Come on.
Okay, you can.
Come on, bud.
Lord, the wind leaves shivering as it waltzes o'er the leaves. Been rushing through my timber till your love brought on the spring. Now the mountains all are blushing, and they don't know what to say, except a good long line of praises for my lovely lady.
Hi, handsome.
Now I ain't the toughest
I'll leave Troopers on.
that your axe has ever fell, but I'm a hickory just as well. I'm a hickory all the same.
You're such a good boy.
I came crashing through the forest as you cut my roots away.
Alright, guys, that's all for today. Thanks so much for watching. Give it a like, subscribe, and comment.